If the numerator of a fraction is increased by 140% and its denominator of the fraction is reduced by 20%, it gives a new fraction 12 by 7. What is the original fraction? Numerator by denominator. Numerator అనేది 100%, denominator will be the 100% అనుకున్నప్పుడు if the numerator of a fraction is increased by 140%, increased by 140%, అంటే అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది 100 ప్లస్ 140 240% ఆఫ్ n. డినామినేటర్ అనేది ఎంత reduced by 20%, reduced by 20%, ఇదేమో increased by. reduced by అంటే 100 minus 20 is equal to 80% ఆఫ్ డినామినేటర్. ద రిజల్టెంట్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ ఏమవుతుంది 12 by 7 అవుతుంది. ఏమవుతుంది 12 by 7 240% ఆఫ్ n by 80% ఆఫ్ d is equal to 12 by 7. 81 जा 83 जा percentage will be cancelled. 3n by d is equal to 12 by 7. 3 1 जा 3 4 जा n by d is equal to original fraction వచ్చేసిందండి 4 by 7.